In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Rule of 72 for making better investment decisions. Hello, I'm Sean with Families Creating Financial Freedom, and in this video, I'm going to teach you about the Rule of 72, which is a really simple way to figure out how long it will take for your investments to double. This rule can help you make better investment decisions so that you can grow your portfolio and achieve your financial goals. So without further ado, let's get started. You may have heard of the Rule of 72, especially if you've been in the earshot of a banker, but do you know what it is and how to use it? Actually, it dates back to as far back, potentially even further, 1494, as a simple way to apply math in a compounding situation. Today, we use it mostly as a quick way to determine how long it will take an investment to double at a compounding interest rate. It does not work for simple interest. So here's the formula. Take 72 and divide it by the annual interest rate. The answer is how long it will take to double. For example, if you have 4% interest, you divide 72 by 4, which equals 18, or 18 years. If you have 6% interest, you divide 72 by 6, which equals 12 years. 8 divided 72 by 8 equals 9 years. So, in a nutshell, when you think you are conservatively and very safely investing money at 2, 3, 4%, you can see you've got a long window to potentially double your money. At the same time, if you go with a higher interest rate, you could potentially double your money in a much shorter period of time, but very likely there's greater risk that creates a variable up and down in that scenario. I like to explain it to my client as the waves on the ocean. The more risk, the taller the waves and deeper the troughs of the wave, so it's ups and downs. The lower the interest rate, the less the risk, the smoother the water. What is your goal? If your goal is to create a lot of money and you're willing to accept the risk, you might do so in a shorter period. On the other hand, if you're very conservative minded, not accepting the risk, you have an idea of the length of time you need to accept to accomplish the same goal for the safety. Very important. So then I have to ask you, how much risk are you willing to accept in exchange for a potentially quicker increase, knowing that you may see declines with that increase in risk? In a broad sense, it's very valuable to understand the Rule of 72. I'm going to circle back around. Anybody that's following this channel and working along, I hope that you're tracking your monthly budget. Now, I wanted to mention that I highly recommend that you use Rocket Money for your budget tracking. I'm going to include the link to Rocket Money through my link tree, which is included on this website. Click the link and then follow the link to Things We Like, and you'll see Rocket Money. If you sign up through me, you receive a discount. And of course, it helps me as well fund things like this program, this channel. So again, I'm Sean with Families Creating Financial Freedom. Take care.